Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best activity jumper available right now. The Fisher-Price Baby Bouncer Colorful Corners Jumperoo Activity Center with music, lights, sounds, and developmental toys. Whether you're a new parent or shopping for one, this activity jumper promises fun, safety, and sensory development, all in one delightful package. Let's start with the main experience. The Colorful Corners Jumperoo is more than just a seat. It's a whole interactive environment designed to excite, engage, and support your baby's development. Every jump your little one makes is rewarded with cheerful music, flashing lights, and playful sounds. It's a full sensory experience that encourages active movement and curiosity. One of the standout features is the 360-degree rotating seat. Your baby can twist and turn in all directions to access different toys, promoting motor skills and spatial awareness. Around the jumper, there's a vivid array of engaging activities: a bat-a-tiger, butterfly spinner, an elephant rattle roller, teeter-totter leopards, a zebra spinner, a turtle mirror, and a cheerful music and lights frog. Each toy is designed to engage different senses and skills, from touch to sound to visual stimulation. What makes this jumper even more parent-friendly is the removable musical frog. It's portable and designed for travel, so you can bring the fun along with you wherever you go. The frog itself includes more than 20 minutes of music and lights, keeping your baby entertained outside of the jumper too. Height adjustability is another smart feature. The jumper can be easily adjusted to 3 different height settings, which means it grows with your baby. This not only extends the product's use over several months but ensures your baby is always bouncing at the right level for maximum safety and comfort. Speaking of comfort, the seat pad is machine washable. Let's be honest, with babies, messes are inevitable, and being able to toss the seat in the wash is a huge relief for any caregiver. It's a small detail, but one that shows Fisher-Price really understands the day-to-day realities of parenting. Let's also talk about developmental value. The Colorful Corners Jumperoo isn't just about keeping your baby busy, it's designed with intention. It helps strengthen gross motor skills like leg and core muscles while encouraging coordination through interactive play. At the same time, it stimulates their developing senses. The flashing lights and sounds enhance sight and hearing, while the tactile toys promote touch exploration. Now, let's cover shipping and availability briefly. But for what you're getting, a high-quality, engaging, and adjustable jumper, the value holds strong. To sum it all up, the Fisher-Price Colorful Corners Jumperoo is more than just a baby bouncer. It's a fun-filled activity center, a tool for development, and a thoughtful product crafted for both baby and parent. With its vivid design, engaging features, and reliable Fisher-Price build quality, this jumper is a standout in its category. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to bring joy, learning, and movement into your baby's daily routine, this just might be the best investment you make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the best products on the market. See you next time.